They'll want to make it six. Goes for goal!
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of the Championship. It's Hull City against Wolverhampton Wanderers.
They've got plenty of time still to turn things around.
Ashley.
Played 1-0.
Thanks, Alan. Goal news from Derby.
It's a goal for Derby County. 11 minutes played, 1-0.
Cheers, Alan. He's enduring a sticky spell at the moment, but they're asking him to play his way through it, Alan.
I'm surprised at that. I really thought
Wolf. Good defending. Wolf. Defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Well, we've got the visiting team coming here with the confidence of 3 points that they've taken from the side that's at home today in the match between the two earlier in the season.
Oh, it's magnificent! You don't stop those! And Javi Varas was clawing at thin air. Truly magnificent strike.
Russell, a sweetly struck volley to finish off a lovely flowing move. 36 minutes played, 2-0.
Thanks, Alan. Wolf. Well, the visiting team come here with a 5-league game run in which they've accumulated 7 points. And that's half-time, signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score.
Would the club secretary please note?
Second half is underway. And it's passed back again. Clever play on the ball. They've got a great understanding, this team. Just look at the passing. Wolf. David Edwards. Wolf. First touch was good, but he's got to work hard to keep the ball. Great difficulty. Pass back. Wolf. Side, time for a change. Wolf. And the cross is in. And the ball in is dealt with well. Tried to steer it in with the volley. Well, he saved it.
70 minutes played, 2-0.
Thanks, Alan. Wolf. Possession now with Hull City. Good control here. Quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. Sliding challenge coming in. And he's got out of the way of it. That's a shame, because he is tired. He's getting on the ball, but it's a big effort from him. It's a great tackle. And might use up a bit of time here as well for the team. Be able to switch the play there. And that will be 1 minute. Says the fourth official's electronic board of added time. And he's still trying to get on the ball, but he looks absolutely exhausted. Case of the player being taken. Wolverhampton Wanderers celebrate at the final whistle, celebrate their victory.
Now let's all enjoy it safely.
Well, they have won it,
Thank you very much.
and no wonder they're going to the defenders to say, brilliant, well played, lads.
Well, it's nice to see, isn't it? Because so often the strikers get all the glory.